first met Joe last year when he came to do our summer course, and since then we've been in regular contact about sort of Joe's, I guess, ambition to become a disabled ballet dancer or a differently abled ballet dancer. So Joe over the past year has done phenomenal work, kind of mentoring yourself really as well, just on gaining experience on how he uses his equipment and how he can progress his ballet technique. And we're really excited that he's going to be starting with us from September as an apprenticeship, because it just means as an organisation we can ensure that inclusivity is sort of at the base of what we do, and hopefully Joe can go on his own journey and develop more of his ballet technique and understand more and more his full range of movement, and then hopefully we're going to see him perform in the company as well.
Well, it was a bit of a shock because I really love the company and I think they're great, and I really enjoyed summer school last year. And as Amy said, I've been sort of working by myself to try and progress with things, and then I've maintained regular contact with Amy, and then I came down for class last February, and then we talked about possibly coming down to Newport on a more permanent basis. And then, yeah, this opportunity presented itself, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm really, really excited for the future.